Step right into the realm where not everything is as it seems. Today, we're uncovering the power of ChatGPT, delving into hidden layers so profound they're guaranteed to shake your understanding of artificial intelligence. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about ChatGPT. This isn't just a revelation, it's a revolution. Are you ready? The world of AI has witnessed groundbreaking innovations, and ChatGPT stands at the forefront, now with the power to see, hear, and converse. Intrigued? Stick around till the end, and I promise you'll be astounded by the full spectrum of ChatGPT's capabilities. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that uses natural language processing to engage in human-like conversations. This language model can answer questions and compose various types of written content such as articles, social media posts, essays, code, and emails. ChatGPT is a type of generative AI, which means that it allows users to input prompts and receive human-like responses in the form of text, images, or videos that are generated by AI. Similar to the automated chat services found on customer service websites, people can ask ChatGPT questions or request further clarification on its responses. The acronym GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is how ChatGPT processes requests and formulates responses. ChatGPT is trained using reinforcement learning with human feedback and reward models that rank the best responses. This feedback helps to improve ChatGPT's machine learning capabilities and enhance its future responses. Who created ChatGPT? OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research company, created ChatGPT and launched the tool in November 2022. It was founded by a group of entrepreneurs and researchers, including Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015. OpenAI is backed by several investors, with Microsoft being the most notable. OpenAI also created DALL-E, an AI text-to-art generator. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works through its generative pre-trained transformer, which uses specialized algorithms to find patterns within data sequences. ChatGPT initially used the GPT-3 large language model, a neural network machine learning model, and the third generation of generative pre-trained transformer. The transformer pulls from a significant amount of data to formulate a response. ChatGPT now uses the GPT 3.5 model that includes a fine-tuning process for its algorithm. ChatGPT Plus uses GPT-4, which offers a faster response time and internet plugins. GPT-4 can also handle more complex tasks than previous models, such as describing photos, generating captions for images, and creating more detailed responses up to 25,000 words. Human trainers provide conversations and rank the responses. These reward models help determine the best answers. To keep training the chatbot, users can upvote or downvote its response by clicking on thumbs up or thumbs down icons beside the answer. Users can also provide additional written feedback to improve and fine-tune future dialogue. What can you ask ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a conversational AI-powered assistant that can answer a wide range of questions, from simple to complex ones, such as, "What is the meaning of life?" or "What year did New York become a state?" It is proficient in STEM disciplines and can even write or debug code. There is no limit to what kind of questions you can ask ChatGPT. However, it is important to note that ChatGPT uses data up to the year 2021, so it may not have knowledge of events or information beyond that year. As a conversational chatbot, ChatGPT can provide more information or attempt to generate text again when asked to do so by a user. How are people using ChatGPT? ChatGPT is versatile and can be used for more than human conversations. People have used ChatGPT to do the following: code computer programs and check for bugs in code, compose music, draft emails, summarize articles, podcasts, or presentations, script social media posts, create titles for articles, solve math problems, discover keywords for search engine optimization, create articles, blog posts, and quizzes for websites, reword existing content for a different medium, such as a presentation transcript for a blog post, formulate product descriptions, play games, assist with job searches, including writing resumes and cover letters, ask trivia questions, describe complex topics more simply, write video scripts, research markets for products, generate art, Unlike other chatbots, ChatGPT can remember various questions to continue the conversation in a more fluid manner. In August 2023, OpenAI announced an enterprise version of ChatGPT. The enterprise version offers the higher-speed GPT-4 model with longer context windows, customization options, and data analysis. This model of ChatGPT does not share data outside the organization. What are the benefits of ChatGPT? Businesses and users are still exploring the benefits of ChatGPT as the program continues to evolve. Some benefits include the following: efficiency. AI-powered chatbots can handle routine and repetitive tasks, freeing employees to focus on more complex and strategic responsibilities. Cost savings. Using AI chatbots can be more cost-effective than hiring and training additional employees. Improved content quality. Writers can use ChatGPT to improve grammatical or contextual errors or help brainstorm content ideas. Employees can take ordinary text and ask to improve its language or add expressions. Education and training. ChatGPT can help explain more complex topics to help serve as a virtual tutor. Users can also ask for guides and any needed clarification on responses. Better response time. ChatGPT provides instant responses, which reduces wait times for users seeking assistance. Increased availability. AI models are available around the clock to provide continuous support and assistance. Multilingual support. ChatGPT can communicate in multiple languages or provide translations for businesses with global audiences. Personalization. AI chatbots can tailor responses to the user's preferences and behaviors based on previous interactions. Scalability. ChatGPT can handle many users simultaneously, which benefits applications with high user engagement. Natural language understanding. ChatGPT understands and generates human-like text, so it is helpful for tasks such as generating the content, answering questions, engaging in conversations, and providing explanations. Digital accessibility. ChatGPT and other AI chatbots can assist individuals with disabilities by providing text-based interactions, which can be easier to navigate than other interfaces. What are the limitations of ChatGPT? How accurate is it? Some limitations of ChatGPT include the following. It does not fully understand the complexity of human language. ChatGPT generates responses based on input, which may lack depth. Lack of knowledge of data and events after 21. It is important to note that the training data used by ChatGPT only goes up until the year 2021. As a result, the information provided by ChatGPT might not always be accurate. If ChatGPT is unsure about a query, it may give an incorrect response. However, ChatGPT is still in the process of being trained, so providing feedback when it makes a mistake can be helpful. Responses can sound like a machine and unnatural. ChatGPT can overuse common words like the and, requiring human editing for a natural flow. It summarizes but does not cite sources. ChatGPT does not provide analysis or insight into any data or statistics. ChatGPT might provide statistics but no real commentary on what these statistics mean or how they relate to the topic. It cannot understand sarcasm and irony. The ChatGPT platform is built using a dataset of text. I have ensured that the sentence is grammatically correct and there are no spelling or punctuation errors. It might focus on the wrong part of a question and be unable to shift. Let me explain with an example. If you were to ask ChatGPT whether a horse would make a good pet based on its size, and then follow up with a question about cats, ChatGPT might only consider the animal's sizes and not provide information about having them as pets. ChatGPT is not capable of diverging from its initial response or addressing multiple questions in a single reply. Bias in training data. It is important to address the ethical concerns related to ChatGPT, particularly the potential bias in the training data. If the data fed to the model contains any bias, it can affect the model's output. Moreover, ChatGPT may not recognize language that is offensive or discriminatory. To avoid perpetuating any bias, it is crucial to review the data that is used to train the model. However, including diverse and representative materials can also help control the bias for more accurate results. How to access ChatGPT. To access ChatGPT, create an OpenAI account. Go to chat.openai.com, select Sign Up, enter an email address, or use a Google or Microsoft account to log in. Is ChatGPT free? You can access ChatGPT for free through OpenAI's website. To use the service, you need to create a free OpenAI account. If you want more features, you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus and gain access to GPT-4. With ChatGPT Plus, you'll enjoy faster responses, no blackout windows, and unlimited availability. You can subscribe to ChatGPT Plus for a monthly fee of $20. Additionally, you'll get priority access to new features. What are the alternatives to ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a popular chatbot, but it can sometimes be unavailable due to capacity issues. In response to this, Google announced their new chatbot called Bard. Bard draws information directly from the internet through a Google search to provide the latest information. Meanwhile, Microsoft has added ChatGPT functionality to Bing, which allows users to chat with the internet search engine. Compared to ChatGPT, the Bing version has more up-to-date training and doesn't end with 2021 data and events. Apart from these, there are other text generator alternatives to ChatGPT that you can consider. AI Writer, Article Forge, ChatSonic, Copysmith, DeepLWrite, Google Bard, Jasper, Perplexity AI. ChatGPT latest updates. OpenAI made an announcement in September 2023 about a new update to ChatGPT, which now enables it to speak and recognize images. With this update, users can upload pictures of the contents of their refrigerator, and ChatGPT will suggest recipe ideas using the ingredients they already have. Users can also ask ChatGPT questions about photos, such as identifying landmarks, and engage in a conversation to learn about their history and other facts. In addition to text input, users can now engage with ChatGPT using voice commands like other voice assistants. This feature will be available on both iOS and Android apps, but users will need to opt in to use it in their settings. The image recognition feature will be available on all platforms, including the ChatGPT website and mobile applications. Don't miss out. More revelations about ChatGPT are on the way, ready to revolutionize your world. Stay tuned and keep exploring with us. The future is just a video away.